Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Now in this video, we'll be talking about two fundamentally sound, lesser known small cap stocks which have the potential to become future multi-baggers. Now both these stocks are trading at very attractive levels and one can go ahead and analyze them for consideration in terms of investments in the future. Please watch this video to know more. Now the first company on the list is Gandhis Special Tubes Limited, which is available at 390.75, and when this research was originally carried out, this stock was trading at 383. Now the symbol for it is GANDHI-TUBE. Now Gandhis Special Tubes Limited is engaged in the manufacturing and marketing of welded and seamless steel tubes of different sizes and specifications and cold formed coupling nuts. The company is engaged in the business of manufacturing automobile components, cold formed tube nuts for fuel injection, tube assemblies, hydraulic and other tube assemblies. Now if you were to look at the 1 year chart, you would see that the company did nothing for the major part of the year, but then there was a huge spike, but of late it had also corrected. The market cap of the company is 539.96 crores, which means that the company is still a small cap. The EPS is 24.47, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 15.97, which is much below the industry PE of 26.73. The book value is 129.35, translating into a price to book ratio of 3.02. Now the 9-month FY18 ROE percentage is 17.5, whereas the 9-month FY18 to ROCE percentage is 23.2%. Now if you were to look at it, the promoter holding is very good at 73.26, and overall this company looks attractive from a valuation point of view. The company has a lean, debt-free balance sheet with net cash and investments of close to Rs 96 crores. Even after the recent share buyback, the cash position continues to be robust, thereby ensuring that the generous dividend policy can be maintained. With surplus capacity on stream, the company is well positioned to capitalize on the upturn in segments like construction equipment and automobile. An upswing in commodity prices, however, is a potential investment risk. Now the second stock on the list is Tiger Logistics India Limited, which is available at 193.40, and the price when this stock was researched was Rs 196. The symbol for it is TIGERLOGS. Now Tiger Logistics India Limited is engaged in freight forwarding business. The company's segments include logistics and others. It provides supply chain solutions, and the company's services include freight, custom house agent, supply chain management, project logistics, cold chain logistics and food commodities. Now the 1 year chart reveals that this company has been all over the place. The market cap of the company is 204.47 crores, which means that the company is close to being a micro cap. The EPS is 9.86, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 19.61, which is much below the industry PE of 52.83. The book value is 44.56, translating into a price to book ratio of 4.34. The promoter holding percent is very good at 73%, whereas the 52-week low is 151.70. The return on equity percentage for 9 months of FY18 is 18.8, whereas the 9-month FY18 ROCE percentage is 28.9. Now friends, the implementation of GST will result in huge reformation of warehouses, creating new regional warehouses in key locations based on operational and logistics efficiency, and further employing 3PL companies to manage their overall distribution and supply chains. Now all of these will benefit the company. Now Tiger has a lean balance sheet with a debt to equity ratio of 0.14x. That stock trades at 18 cross FY19P earnings. Now friends, please don't treat these as stock recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. And if you are benefited by the content of this channel, please don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel if you still haven't. We are also providing the link to the source article in the description section below. So please go through that same article to build more conviction around your investment decision.